Thank you for joining me on Making with Marilyn. On today's video, I will show you how to weld letters in Silhouette Studio. Let me get my computer set up and I'll be back in a minute. I have the Silhouette Studio opened and we're ready to begin. I'm going to use the font Bromello because it's really a pretty script font and it will be a good one to show us how the weld function works. I'm going to type out my niece's name, Remington, and make it as large as I can on this screen. Okay, you can see, because the red lines are the cut lines, you can see that if I were to cut this right now, these letters would all be separate and they would just fall apart. I want to cut this entire thing as just one piece so that I don't have to work with each piece individually. Also, it just makes it look very pretty. So I'm going to highlight the whole thing, go up here, this is the weld function, and click weld. Now you can see this would cut out nicely and it'd be one piece of material for the whole word. This is what it means to weld your letters together, and it's a very useful tool. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about what I did in the video, please leave them in the comment section. And if you'd like to see what I'm doing in the future, hit the red subscribe button. I'm Marilyn. Bye-bye.